Hello, sir. Welcome on board. How are you today?
Hello. I'm good. Thank you. It's my first time flying, so I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry. You'll be fine. Can I offer you something to drink?
Yes, please. Can I have some water?
Of course. Would you like cold water or room temperature?
Cold water, please.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Would you like anything else to drink?
Do you have juice?
Yes, we have apple juice, orange juice, and mango juice.
Orange juice sounds nice. Can I have that, please?
Sure. Here is your orange juice.
Thanks again.
No problem. If you need anything, just press the call button.
Okay, thank you. You are very kind.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy your flight.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Hello, sir. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Yes, of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Your seat is 18C. That's on the left side, next to the aisle.
I see. I'm not sure where that is.
No problem. Please follow me. This way, sir.
Thank you very much.
Here we are. This is seat 18C.
Great. Can I put my bag here under the seat?
For a small bag, yes, but that one looks a bit big. Let me place it in the overhead bin.
Oh, thank you for helping.
You're welcome. Please sit down and fasten your seatbelt like this.
Okay, let me try. Is it tight enough?
Yes, that's perfect. Very good.
What time will we arrive in Dubai?
We should land at 5:30 p.m. local time.
Great. Will there be food on the flight?
Yes, we'll serve a meal and drinks shortly.
Wonderful. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight, sir. Hello. Are you traveling to Dubai too?
Yes, I am. What about you?
Me too. Is this your first time there?
Yes, it's my first trip. I'm very excited.
That's great. Dubai is a wonderful city. You will love it.
I hope so. I've heard many things about it. People say it's very modern and clean.
Yes, that's true. There are so many amazing places to see.
Are you from Dubai?
No, but I live there now. I work in a hotel as a receptionist.
Wow, that sounds interesting. I'm going there for vacation. I'll stay for 1 week.
Perfect. Do you already have plans?
Yes, I want to visit Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Mall.
Good choices. You should also see the beach and the fountain show.
Yes, I saw videos online. They look amazing.
Don't forget sunscreen. The weather is very hot.
Thank you. I packed light clothes for the trip.
Smart. You'll really enjoy your time there.
Thanks for the tips.
You're welcome. Have a great trip.
Excuse me, where can I find a taxi?
Right this way, sir. Follow the yellow signs that say taxi.
Is it far from here?
Not at all. Go straight, take the escalator down one level, and you'll see the taxi queue outside.
Great, thank you. Do I need a ticket?
No ticket. Just join the line and wait for the dispatcher.
Is there a fixed price to the marina area?
The fare is metered. You can ask the dispatcher for an estimate.
Perfect. Are taxis available 24 hours?
Yes, taxis run all day and night.
That's helpful. Is this the right direction?
Yes, see that big taxi sign with an arrow? Keep walking toward the glass doors.
I see it now. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant stay in Dubai.
Thanks. I'll head to the queue.
Hey, be careful.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't see you coming.
You didn't look before crossing the street. That's dangerous.
I know. I was looking at my phone.
You must pay attention. Always look left and right first.
Yes, you're right. I understand. I'll be more careful.
And please take off your headphones when you walk. You didn't hear my car.
That's true. I was listening to music. I couldn't hear anything.
Walking with headphones and looking at your phone is very risky.
I see that now. Thank you for warning me.
It's okay, but next time, look and listen. Your safety is important.
Yes, I promise. I won't use my phone when I cross the street again.
Good. I'm glad you are safe.
Thank you. I really appreciate your kindness.
No problem. Just be more careful in the future.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Welcome to Dubai. Where are you going today? Hello. I'm going to the Sunrise Marina Hotel. Here's the address on my phone. Thank you. Please fasten your seatbelt. We'll start now.
Sure. About how long will it take?
Around 25 minutes, depending on traffic.
And the price, will it be on the meter?
Yes, sir. The meter is on. It should be about 80 dirhams.
That's fine. It's my first time in Dubai.
You'll enjoy it. The skyline by the marina is beautiful at night.
I can't wait to see it. Do you have water?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. That's very kind.
No problem. Would you like the air conditioning cooler?
It's perfect.
Thanks. We're passing the main highway now. You can see the tall buildings ahead. Wow, amazing view. We'll arrive shortly. I'll stop at the main entrance.
Great. I'll pay in cash.
Cash is fine.
Thanks for the smooth ride.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Oh no, I'm late. My meeting starts at 9 and it's already 8:40.
Do you have everything ready?
Almost, but I can't find my keys.
Which keys?
Both the house key and the car key.
Did you check your bag?
Yes, they're not there.
What about the kitchen table?
I looked already. Nothing there.
Wait. I think I saw them on the sofa last night.
Really? Let me check. Alex looks at the sofa cushions. Yes, I found them here. Thank you, Mom. You saved me.
Good. Do you need help carrying your things?
Yes, please. Can you take my bag to the car?
Sure. Let's go together.
You're the best. I was so worried I'd miss the meeting.
Don't worry, just drive safely.
I will. Thanks again, Mom. Bye.
Bye, Alex. Good luck today.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hello. I'm not feeling well. I have a headache and a little fever.
I see. Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I also have a sore throat and a runny nose.
Sounds like a common cold. I can recommend some medicine.
That would be great. What do you suggest?
For the headache and fever, you can take these tablets. And for the sore throat, this syrup will help.
How often should I take the tablets?
1 tablet every 6 hours after food. Don't take more than 4 in one day.
Okay, I understand. And the syrup?
2 spoonfuls, 3 times a day. Drink plenty of water and rest.
Thank you. How much is it in total?
Together, it's 50 dirhams.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your receipt and the medicine.
Thanks a lot. You've been very helpful.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
I will. Have a nice day.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to Ocean View Restaurant. How many people? Just 1, please. This way, sir. Here's your table by the window. Perfect, thank you. The view is amazing. You're welcome. Here is the menu. Would you like something to drink first? Yes. Can I have a glass of water? Still or sparkling? Still water, please. Sure. I'll bring it right away. Here you are. Have you decided what to eat? Not yet. What do you recommend? Our grilled salmon is very popular, and the chicken curry is also delicious.
I'll have the grilled salmon, please.
Would you like a side dish? We have salad, rice, or vegetables.
A salad, please.
Excellent choice. Anything else? That's all for now, thank you. Great. Your order will be ready soon. Please relax and enjoy the view. Thank you very much.